So this question is trying to say that there is some hidden number has 8 factors. Meaning this number, question mark, has many factors. Factors are something times something, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the factors. So now we're going to use the clues down here. 2 of the factors are 8 and 20 to find out what are all the different factors over here. Clearly, without even starting, you know that one of them is 1 times the number itself, right? So I'll just put question mark here. And now they're telling you that inside here there is a 8 and a 20 somewhere inside these 6 blanks here. So slowly we will uncover the thing, right? So the trick is now, even inside 8, what are the factors of 8? 8 is 1 times 8. What else? 2, 4. Then even for 20, it is 120.
10,
2, 10. Anything else?
4, 5.
4, 5. Okay, so out of the factors of 8 and 20, factors of 8 and 20 are going to be factors of this unknown number as well. And the last factor is going to be the LCM of 8 and 20 as well. So you were telling me that that will be the number 40 as well, is it?
Yeah.
So this will be the different factors. So let's double check lah. In fact, what is this trying to tell us? The LCM of 8 and 20 is actually the number itself, right? So if I fill in all the blanks, right, it's going to look something like this. Let me erase it a bit. So that means it's 1 and 40, meaning the number itself is 40. And now I fill in all the other factors. 2 times 20. What else? 4 times
10.
10.
8 times
and
5.
8 times 5. And 5 times 8. Yeah, and that's how we found out all the different factors for this unknown number. So a bit of trial and error but you're using factors, breaking it down to figure your way out to what is the actual number, which happens to be 40. Okay?
Okay, that's all.